Hello, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the ways that you can access the help system in Image Pro. Let's start by accessing the help system from the help menu on the right-hand side of the application. If we open this menu, we find the help as the top item. Normally, of course, when we open the help, we're interested in finding a particular subject. A nice easy way to find information on a tool group you're interested in is to select the dynamic help option and then mouse over the tool group you're planning to use. Here you can see on the count size menu, I'm running through each of the tool groups. When I find the content I'm interested in, I can just move to the help panel and scroll through the help section. I can also follow links. Similarly, I can just mouse over any tool group, and when the little question mark appears in the bottom right hand side of the tool group, I can click on it to access the help for that particular tool group. We can also directly search the help system. There are a couple of ways to do this. We can use the universal search tool, which is found at the top of the application. Enter a search term or keyword. The most popular topics relating to your search term are displayed. Click on one to open the help at the subject of interest. If you don't find the subject you're looking for in this way, select the full search option. The search term will then be entered directly in the help system, and a more comprehensive search is done, showing more subjects. You can, of course, just directly enter your search term in the help panel. If you want to thoroughly explore the help system, it's advisable to undock it. You can do this by selecting its icon and dragging it out of the dock group and making it as large as you like. Here we can see the help homepage. Wherever you go in the help, you can always get back to the home page by just clicking on the home icon in the top left. There are also navigation buttons, back and forwards. There are three menus on the home page. Get started. This is where you'll find subjects useful to new users of Image Pro. Tasks. Here topics are organised as a series of workflows. And tools and menus. This will allow you to find subjects based on their position within the application. There are a series of buttons where you can browse useful tasks. There are also video tutorials. When you've finished working with the help panel, you could close it, or just drag it and redock it. If there's a section of the help that you find particularly useful and you want to make a PDF or hard copy, right-click on the help and click Print. You're then able to print or save as a PDF that particular section. That brings me to the end of this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact Media Cybernetics and we'll be happy to help.